More than 4,500 years ago, a powerful civilization rose from the sands of Egypt.
Along the Nile River, life flourished, guiding by nature, belief. This land was home to skilled people, deeply connected to their gods and their rulers. They believed life did not end with death, but continued into eternity. For them, death was a journey strolled, and preparation was everything. At the center of this world stood the pharaoh, Khafre, ruler, leader, and living god. His name was Khufu. To honor his journey to the afterlife, something extraordinary was planned. On this silent desert, a vision was born.
A structure unlike anything the world had ever seen.
Thousands of skilled workers were called to serve a single purpose. They were not slaves. They were builders, craftsmen, and engineers. And with the first stone, history began to change. This was the beginning of the Great Pyramid.
Pharaoh Khufu ruled over a kingdom of order, faith, and immense power.
He believed his destiny extended beyond this world. In death, he would rise to join the gods. The priests spoke of eternity, stars, and the afterlife. They believed the soul would travel to the heavens. Khufu imagined a monument that would guide his soul forever. The Giza Plateau was chosen for this sacred purpose.
The greatest minds of Egypt were summoned.
They would design a structure beyond imagination. Every angle, every measurement had meaning. The pyramid would align with the stars. The pharaoh gave his command. Across Egypt, workers were called to serve. Not as slaves, but as honored builders. A vision had become a mission.
Before sunrise, the workers of the pyramid began their day.
They were farmers, craftsmen, and builders from across Egypt. They were fed, housed, and cared for by the state. Even injuries were treated without, a rare privilege in the ancient world. These men were not slaves. Each stone was carefully shaped by hand. Every team worked with discipline and coordination.
Rhythm and teamwork made impossible tasks possible.
Strength alone was not enough. Engineers oversaw every step. Knowledge passed from one generation to the next. The labor was exhausting, but belief gave them strength. Together, they were building something eternal.
The stones began their journey far from the pyramid.
Each block was carved by hand. Precision was essential. Blocks weighing several tons were prepared for transport. Ropes and wood became tools of power. Water reduced friction, allowing the stones to move. Human strength turned theory into motion. Every step was earned. Timing and rhythm mattered.
Leaders guided the effort.
The work demanded everything they had. Failure was not an option. One journey ended, another began. The foundation of greatness was taking shape.
To lift stone toward the sky, the Egyptians built their own paths.
Ramps of earth and stone rose alongside the growing monument.
Every step upward demanded precision.
Gravity was challenged by knowledge and effort. No single man could move a block alone. Engineers calculated every incline. Simple tools multiplied human strength. Millimeters mattered.
To lift stone toward the sky, the Egyptians built their own paths.
Ramps of earth and stone rose alongside the growing monument.
Every step upward demanded precision.
Gravity was challenged by knowledge and effort. No single man could move a block alone. Engineers calculated every incline. Simple tools multiplied human strength. Millimeters mattered.
Each stone had its exact position.
Slowly, the pyramid rose. The sun tested their endurance. But rest was temporary. The vision demanded sacrifice. Another piece joined the whole. As the pyramid rose higher, the ramps grew longer, carrying stone after stone toward the sky. Each stone was measured with astonishing precision. One mistake could weaken the entire monument. Architects and overseers guided the work, combining mathematics, astronomy, and experience past. These were not slaves, but skilled laborers. Fed, housed, and respected, after decades of labor, the pyramid neared completion, its form a symbol of divine order. The final stone was placed with ceremony. The pyramid became a bridge between earth and the gods, the Confucians. Thousands of years have passed, yet the pyramids still stand, testament to human ambition.
Time moved forward, but the pyramid remained, unchanged, unmoved. The builders were gone, yet their creation endured beyond lifetimes.
Within its stone walls, secrets were sealed, passages meant for eternity.
The pyramid was more than stone. It was aligned with the stars.
Empires fell. Cultures vanished. The pyramids survived them all.
Centuries later, humanity returned, seeking answers carved in stone.
Under the same sun, the pyramids still stand, linking past and present.
They were built by human hands, guided by human vision, and meant to last forever.
Yet even today, questions remain unanswered. No matter the mystery, one truth remains. This was human genius.